Who does the standard apply to? Well, as I already mentioned, general industry workers that perform servicing and maintenance on machines and equipment. So what exactly is this lockout tagout? Well, it's a technique that uses locks or tags to control or remove hazardous energy when performing maintenance on machinery. So the basic action or the basic equipment that is used in the performance of a lockout tagout you see in the slide here, locks and tags. So they both warn as well as prevent the energizing of equipment. But it's much more than this. It's also establishing procedures of when we apply this and how we control these different machines. So let's look at some definitions more closely. A lockout is the placement of either a device like a lock or an energy isolating device, whereas the equipment cannot be operated till it's removed. Now, this energy isolating device is some sort of mechanical device that physically prevents the transmission or the release of energy. So we can have a number of different things that we'll see later on that can be used to isolate energy. Now, tags or tagout is the placement of a device like a tag that isolates the device, whereas the equipment cannot be operated till removed. So the tag is that warning device that says what's going on and that someone will read that before they try to remove the isolating device and operate or energize the equipment. This is not a suitable lockout, tagout piece of equipment. This is a more appropriate example. It is both the placement of the lockout device on the energy isolating device, which is the handle there, in accordance to the procedures that are set up at the workplace. And it ensures that that energy isolating device, the handle, and the equipment that's being controlled by it cannot be operated until the lockout device is removed. Now, the placement of the tag on that energy isolating device is a way of indicating that it has been locked out and that it should not be removed until we want to operate it. And that doesn't happen until the tagout device is removed. So if an energy isolating device is not capable of being locked out, you need a tagout system. It can be used by itself, provided that the employer will comply with some provisions of the standard that require both additional training and more rigorous inspections to ensure that workers are following that procedure.